Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful e-commerce template in React.js and Next.js framework. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. We see the beautiful e-commerce template homepage. See top section, notification icon, mini card, just beautiful. See guys, and the user icon, and see the homepage top section, just beautiful. See guys, the top deals. See the top deals, URL as well. See guys, all. See shop now look good later section. See guys, like advanced search. Great, just beautiful. The official store, the amazing brand. See guys, just brilliant. The beautiful section as well. View more. See guys, the beautiful footer section. And see guys, when we will click on this single product page and see the beautiful single product page opened as well. See, just beautiful. The single product template, the image, title, details, pricing, available sizes as well. Buy now add to cart section. See guys, and the product info, rating, discount section, description, and related products as well. Let me open this one. Wait, was brilliant. And see guys, says the cart page as well. So guys, see the cart page, view cart, the items with wish list, delete, and quantity section as well. Summary, see, just beautiful. The blog page, let me show you. See guys, here's the blog page. See, this is blog page as well. The collections, like shop page as well. The products page. See guys, here's the products page. The filter products, just beautiful. See, see friends. Price range, filter products as well. And the FAQ page. See guys, here's the FAQ page. Yes, you go to load the game and FAQ page. You toggle section as well. See, just beautiful. And guys, here the more pages as well. Block single. Let me show you. Here's block single page. Like I say, single post page as well. And the checkout page as well. So guys, here see the checkout page. Load the game, and the checkout page will came. See, checkout page. Information, the product form, checkout form, and the products review section as well. And the more pages like login page. See guys, login page as well. See the URL. So I think I got some issue. Oh sorry. It's reloading again. The product. See, you will get the login page. Your friends, the login page as well. Login page, sign up page, and after it, I will show you forgot password page as well. See my friends. My friends, like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, session, or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, my friends, you, you can contact me via my blog. Here's my blog. Here's contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my Skype, my WhatsApp, and my Upwork ID as well. Also, guys, in blog you will get more free admin dashboard templates as well. See, multiple admin dashboards template. You will get my blog and multiple e-commerce templates as well in React.js, Angular, Vue.js, Bootstrap 5 as well. And guys, also I am full-time freelancer, and if you will have any kind of work, then feel free to contact me anytime. I'm available 24 into 7. And guys, after it, I will come with more free templates as well. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.